guys! Welcome back to our channel. It's the Reece Girls. My name is Chantel.
My name is Jonathan.
And my name's Lynn. And today we're starting a new segment called Eats and Treats with the Reece Girls. So this segment we will be posting every other Wednesday. So today what we're going to be making is a dip you can eat with your tortilla chips.
So for what you would need is 2 bowls, a spoon and a knife, and then also a cutting board. And for the ingredients, yes, you need the Tostitos sauce, or you can use any other type of salsa dip. The green onion is optional, but it's more for like the garnish. We have sour cream, nacho cheese, and Tortilla Chips, or you could just use any type of grain chips or just chips in general.
So this is a great snack you can make with like family gatherings, especially after COVID when you want to go and see all your family and reunite. So we're going to show you guys how to make this step by step. It is super easy and simple to make. So now that Chantal's in pouring the chips in, we're going to show you guys how to make it. So first, you need your salsa. And Chantal and Jonathan are going to start showing you how to do it. And I'm going to start cutting up the green onion. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So we already washed this, and so yeah, I'm just going to cut these. And remember, this is optional. You do not have to use it if you do not like it.
This is watery.
So,
Yeah. Okay.
this snack you can make during any fun shows you like to watch. So we have started binge watching some shows. The show that we started watching is The Masked Dancer. It is really good so far. Doesn't do you like the show?
Yeah.
So now that I'm done cutting my green onion, so as I said, you don't need to use the green onion. It's optional. It's just used for a garnish on the top. So Chantal, what have you been doing with Jonathan so far?
So we finished pouring the salsa. It's 1 inch to the bowl. And now we're going to start on pouring the sour cream. And so what we're going to do is scoop it. You want to pour it? We're going to do 4 corners. So you're going to do in 1 corner. Okay, yeah. Then I'll do over here because it's kind of hard for you to reach. Yeah.
I'll do the last one.
Oh no, there's one more after this. Good job. Yeah, Jasmine. I think we should add a little bit more. Okay, so now we're gonna spread it.
All over.
And it doesn't have to be perfect because you're gonna put the cheese on top, the nacho cheese.
Yeah.
And it's gonna taste really good at the end.
Yeah, if you're making anything like art, food, it doesn't have to be designed and pretty. It's your kind of way.
Yeah. So this snack is great for lockdown stuff. This is something you can use or eat while you're watching any fun shows that you like to binge watch. A show that we've all been watching is The Masked Dancer. It has been very good so far. Oh, you need a... Okay.
Because I had a list over here.
Oh.
Okay.
Jasmine, what shows have you liked to watch?
Try not to laugh. Those are the only funny things I would start be watching because it's funny to laugh.
Try not to laugh. So what about you?
I've been watching Food Network, HGTV, and I've been watching the Raptors games. That's why I ordered my Raptors shirt. So we're going to have this dip for a Raptors game. And it's also like, it's really good to have something like this so when we're watching TV. So then you can watch certain different things such as shows that you like to binge watch, sports, and so forth. And then you can have your dip, which is a really comforting meal to have during your show.
So now we're going to pour on this shredded nacho cheese. So I'm just gonna open it and Jasmine will to take some and pour it in.
With my hand.
Or no,
You
I'm
could
gonna
just sprinkle.
on, yeah.
Okay.
Guys, it looks so good.
I can just dump it all in my mouth.
Dump it all in your mouth.
Yeah.
So we're gonna try to get the corners, so the whole thing's full.
Can't wait to have it together and the chips. And
So yeah,
eat it.
that is it so far. And then I'm gonna put on our green onion.
Can I help you?
Sprinkling it around.
Garnish.
And again, if you do not want to eat it, you do not have to put this on. It's optional. Okay, so this is the final product. It looks super duper yummy. So you can eat this with your chips. It's super duper good. So you guys, let's get ready to try this.
Yes.
Okay, take a chip, Jasmine.
I need to for my sandwich.
Nope, that's how Jasmine likes to eat hers. Taste it out.
Comment down below which type of snack ideas you'd like us to make and create.
Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Cheers from the Reece Girls.